see yourself? Is that Emma? Is that your twin? Is that Emma over there? See Emma? Can you see Emma? I don't think anybody can see Emma through there. But we can see Emma. Wait a minute, I gotta close that. Okay, ready? You see yourself? Mm. Oh, jeez. Yeah, you can't turn your head away. Now you can look at yourself. Oh.